Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to start a conversation on WhatsApp. Open the WhatsApp application on your phone. You'll be on the Chats page where you can see all your existing WhatsApp conversations. To start a new WhatsApp chat, tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner. From here, you can create a new chat, group, contact, or broadcast. Scroll down to view all your WhatsApp contacts. You can also use the search bar to find someone by typing their name or phone number. Select the contact you want to start a conversation with. You'll be taken to their WhatsApp chat box. Tap on the text bar at the bottom and type your message. Once you're done writing, tap the send button on the right side to send your first WhatsApp message. Your message is now sent, and the conversation has started. The person will receive a notification and can reply to your WhatsApp message. You can also send photos, videos, voice messages, or documents by tapping the attachment icon next to the text bar. And that's how you start a conversation on WhatsApp. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to App and Web Workshop for more WhatsApp tips and messaging tutorials. Thanks for watching.